right now. Their album March Fires, which is their new album, debuted at #1. Your first #1 record, by the way. So a round of applause there. That's nice.
Cheers. Fine.
Can you talk about the idea behind the song? Because I have an idea, but I want to hear from the songwriters.
I think, Lanterns, it's about moving forward. It's about as people and getting connected and moving forward into sort of better space. And while we were writing this song, even in its most embryonic stage, we knew there was something about it, something harmonically well balanced about this song. It just sort of spoke to us, and it always felt a little bit bigger than we are. So, we tried to nail it and get as good as we could, actually.
I see it as like a big song for graduations.
It's got some sort of momentum that kind of just feels like it's moving forward.
Yeah,
hence the
exactly.
chorus.
So here it is, Birds of Tokyo. This is Lanterns.
Thanks.
Lately I found when I start to think aloud, there's a longing in the sound. There is more I could be. In darkness I leave for a place I've never seen. It's been calling out to me, and that is where I should be. We never carry days on our own. Now it's up to us to know the weight of being so much more. We will find ourselves on the road. On we march with a midnight song. We will light our way with our lanterns on. On we march till we meet the dawn. We will light our way with our lanterns on. As we walk out, without question, without doubt, in the light that we have found, it is finally clear. Our day is come, and we'll stand for who we are. We are ready, we are young, we have nothing to fear. Yeah, yeah. We never carry days on our own. Now it's up to us to know the weight of being so much more. We will find ourselves on the road. On we march with a midnight song. We will light our way with our lanterns on. On we march till we meet the dawn. We will light our way with our lanterns on. We held the light to the faces and realized we were chasing shadows behind. Love was fading, somebody cried. Wherever I looked, we march with a midnight song. We will light our way with our lanterns on. On we march till we meet the dawn. We will light our way with our lanterns on. On we march with a midnight song. We will light our way with our lanterns on. On we march till we meet the dawn. We will light our way with our lanterns on. Our day is come, and we'll stand for who we are. We are ready, we are young, we have nothing to fear.
Hi, window people.